Hello students, this is our second video on chapter 1 number system and we are continue with our rational number topic. In last video we have learned about rational numbers and how to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. But the method was very lengthy to find the rational numbers 6 or 7 or 8 or 10 or 20 rational numbers between two rational numbers. So we will discuss another method to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Let us consider an example. Find three rational numbers between 2 and 3. We have to find three rational numbers between 2 and 3. हमें 2 और 3 के बीच में तीन रैशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट करने हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू मेक डिनोमिनेटर्स ऑफ गिवन रैशनल नंबर्स सेम. हियर इन दिस एग्जांपल डिनोमिनेटर of both the rational numbers are same, that is 1 and 1. We can write 2 as a 2 by 1 and 3 as a 3 by 1. Now after this we have to multiply and divide by 4 in both the rational numbers. We have to find three rational numbers between 2 and 3. हमें 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है दोनों ही रैशनल नंबर को, 2 को भी और 3 को भी. हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमें वी हैव टू फाइंड थ्री रैशनल नंबर्स. दैट इज if we have to find four rational numbers between 2 and 3, we have to multiply and divide with 4 plus 1, 5 in both rational numbers. That is, multiply and divide by one more than numbers we have to find. जितने रैशनल नंबर हमें फाइंड आउट करने हैं उससे एक ज़्यादा नंबर से हमें दोनों रैशनल नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करना है आफ्टर मेकिंग डिनोमिनेटर सेम. दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर सेम करने के बाद. यहां इस एग्जांपल में 2 एंड 3 का डिनोमिनेटर 1 है, सेम है, तो हमें इनको सेम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब हमें 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है because we have to find three rational numbers. So we are multiplying by 4 and divide by 4 in both rational numbers. Multiply by 4 and divide by 4. So 2 can be written as 8 by 4 and 3 can be written as 12 by 4 by multiplying and divide by 4. 12 by 4. Now 8 by 4 is less than 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is less than 10 by 4. 10 by 4 is less than 11 by 4 and 11 by 4 is less than 12 by 4. Here three rational numbers between 8 by 4 and 12 by 4 are 9 by 4, 10 by 4 and 11 by 4. So between 8 by 4 that is equal to 2 and 12 by 4 equal to 3, there are three rational numbers 9 by 4, 10 by 4 and 11 by 4. Let us consider next example on this. Find 6 rational numbers between 1 by 6 and 5 by 21. We have to make same denominator in both rational numbers. इन दोनों ही रैशनल नंबर के हमें डिनोमिनेटर पहले क्या करने हैं? सेम करने हैं. हमें 6 रैशनल नंबर फाइंड आउट करने हैं. So we will make denominators of two rational numbers same. So LCM of 6 and 21 is 42. 6 और 21 का LCM 42 होगा. So we will make 42 in denominator of 1 by 6 and we will make 42 as a denominator of 5 by 21. For doing this, 1 by 6 is multiply and divide by 7. So we can write 1 by 6 as 7 by 42. And here we will multiply by 2 and divide by 2 to make it 42 as denominator in 5 by 21. So 5 by 21 can be written as 10 by 42. Now denominators of these two are same. Now we have to find 6 rational numbers between these two. So we will multiply and divide by 7 in both rational numbers. इन दोनों ही रैशनल नंबर में हम 7 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करेंगे. 7 से मल्टीप्लाई, 7 से डिवाइड. 7 7 जा 49 and 42 7 जा 294. Here 10 multiply by 7 70 and 42 multiply by 7 is 294. 49 by 294 and this one is 70 by 294. Now we have 49 by 294 less than 50 by 294, less than 51 by 294, less than 52 by 294, up to 69 by 294, which is less than 70 by 294. Now we have to find only 6 rational numbers, and in this we will get about 20 rational numbers. 50 by 294 to 69 by 294 we have 20 rational numbers. Now we have to find only 6 rational numbers, so you can choose any 6 of these. I have taken 50 by 294, 51 by 294, 52 by 294, 53 by 294, 54 by 294 and 55 by 294. Now 50 by 294 can be written as 25 by 147. 51 by 294 can be written as 17 by 98. These are cancelled out by 3. Similarly, 52 by 294 be written as 26 by 147, cancel out by 2. 53 by 294 cannot be cancelled out. Numerator and denominator don't have any common factor. 54 by 294 can be written as 27 by 147 and again written as 9 by 49. Similarly, 55 by 294 is same as 55 by 294. So 25 by 147, 17 by 98, 26 by 147, 53 by 294, 9 by 49, 55 by 294 are 6 rational numbers between 49 by 294, which is equal to 1 by 6, and 70 by 294, which is equal to 5 by 21. These are 6 rational numbers. Now you can do it very easily. Let us discuss our exercise 1.1 today. Question number 1 is 0 is a rational number. Can you write in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0? 0 is a rational number. Yes, 0 is a rational number because 0 can be written as 0 by 3, 0 by 4, 0 by 5, 0 by 6. So 0 is a rational number. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. I have already discussed with you 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So you can find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 as in example, last example. Find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. This is also one question based on last example we have already discussed. State whether the following statement are true or false. Give reason for your answers. Every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number. You can think very easily because I already discussed natural number, whole number, integers in video 1. Every integer is a whole number. Every rational number is a whole number. So you can think and you can answer. This exercise is very easy. This is your homework. Exercise 1.1. We will move on to next topic in next video. Thank you.